Let's take a look at what comes in the Dungeons and Dragons Essential Kit. So this is technically what you would need if you've never played Dungeons and Dragons. It'll come with everything that you could possibly need to just play right off the bat, which is, very, very helpful. So let's see what it includes. Obviously, it includes a list of the stuff on the back, but as a video review, I do want to show you in video. So the first thing is a pack of dice. So it's going to come with all the dice you're going to need. This cardboard box, which not really sure what you'd be using this for, but it does come with one. Let's fold that back up. It also comes with what looks to be sort of a little instruction manual. So it's going to give you all the information you're going to need in this book. It also comes with a whole lot of cards, which you're going to need to actually rip apart. As you can see, it's perforated. So you'll have a lot of characters, a lot of, looks like moves, magic items, quest, magic items. So tons and tons of cards. I mean, seriously, a ton of cards. Oh, here's the actual rules book. So it is going to come with a real rules book. I guess this is the adventures book, so it probably tells you a little bit more about the adventures. So this is very helpful. Obviously, this is kind of the stuff you can look up online, but when you're playing a game, you don't want to just pull out your phone. You want to have everything you need in the box. Here we also got what looks like some more information kind of tucked away in this little cardboard thing with, forgot to show you the other side of it, a very pretty picture that they have showing on the other side of what looks like some folks going on an adventure. Fold this up. At the very bottom, we got some codes and a little advertisement. Put that up here. And last thing that comes, actually two things. One of the last things that comes in the box, it looks like, are these little player attribute kind of sheets, so you can write down some information that you need about your character so you don't have to remember it all. And it comes with quite a few of these, and these I assume are also printable, so if you need more, I'm sure you can print more out. But very nice that it comes with these already. Looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, so very helpful. And at the very bottom here, the last thing in the kit is a map. So let me turn it around so you can see it. Very helpful. You got Stonehenge, Stonehill Inn, Stonehenge, Tribord Trail, little fun map. Let's go to the other side of this. There we go. Looks like it goes in this direction. We got Neverwinter Wood, some little key here at the bottom. Overall, I quite like this little kit. I have never played Dungeons and Dragons, so I'm excited to try playing it. But from what it looks like, I mean, as the official Essentials Kit, I'm not going to need anything else. So I greatly appreciate that I don't have to think about it too hard. I just buy this kit and I'm excited to try playing it. So if you've never played Dungeons and Dragons, I think you're going to enjoy this. And I'm excited. There's a reason that this has such high reviews on Amazon, so I totally recommend it.